Ankh Ujaseneb. That means life, prosperity, and health. Welcome to holistic physical education. So boom, I was just getting ready to work out in the zone, minding my business, when I paused and thought, yo, let me show the tribe how I really fuel up. I was mid-process making my supreme protein balls, not your average protein bar situation. These are next level, whole ingredients, cellular nourishment, designed to energize the body and restore the mind. You can whip these up in minutes, and every bite is doing more than just tasting good. It's feeding your system on a foundational level. We start with peanut butter, the creamy base, rich in healthy fats and protein. It gives these balls that smooth consistency and keeps your blood sugar stable so you're not crashing an hour later. Then we add chia seeds. And listen, don't sleep on these tiny warriors. They're full of omega-3s, calcium, and fiber. When they eat liquid, they expand like little gel capsules, hydrating you from the inside out. Think of them like time-release energy. They help you stay full and focused for hours. After that, we bring in hemp seeds. Now we're talking full spectrum protein. Every amino acid your body needs to build and repair cells, right here. On top of that, zinc, magnesium, iron, and healthy fats. Next is maca root, the adaptogen with a passport. Straight from Peru, it's known for increasing stamina, balancing hormones, and giving you that calm, focused energy. Now let's level up with hemp protein powder. This ain't that synthetic, overly processed stuff. This is clean, plant-based protein that your body knows how to use. It supports muscle recovery, immune strength, and it's alkaline, which means it helps balance your body's pH. A huge win in a world full of acidity. Then, for that tropical twist, we toss in some toasted coconut. Not only does it add texture and flavor, it's a healthy fat that supports metabolism and brain health. Plus, coconut has antimicrobial properties, so it's doing work behind the scenes. Then come the pumpkin seeds, or pepitas if you want to sound fancy. These green gems are rich in tryptophan, hello mood boost, magnesium, and antioxidants. They're especially good for men's health, but everyone benefits from their anti-inflammatory, mineral-rich profile. Now for the treat that feels like a cheat, cacao chips. Not chocolate chips, cacao chips. There's a difference. These are the raw, unprocessed form of chocolate, full of flavonoids, magnesium, and feel-good compounds that literally boost your serotonin and endorphins. It's mood food, and it's real. Once all the ingredients are in, we crown it with raw honey. Not just for sweetness, though it does balance all the earthy tones beautifully, but also for its enzymes, antibacterial properties, and that smooth stickiness that binds it all together like a culinary covenant. Now it's time to mix. Hands in, spoon in, however you vibe. Get everything coated and combined into a thick, sticky dough. From there, we press and roll them into perfect spheres. And yeah, I had to juggle a few. Why not? These balls got balance. They foam up even better after chilling in the fridge. And the final texture, chef's kiss. Software chewy, a little crunch, sweet but grounded, pure nourishment. Then comes the best part, the taste test. I'm talking satisfaction in every bite. These are great before a workout, after a workout, or whenever you need a clean energy boost. Keep a few in the fridge and you're always ready. So listen, if you're over the store-bought, plastic-wrapped, sugar-spiked health bars, do yourself a favor and make a batch of these supreme protein balls. All natural, no fluff, just pure, plant-powered energy in every bite. For more healthy snacks and holistic tips, tap all of the buttons. The notification button, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the tribe.